This is such an easy hash brown recipe, but the flavors are amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making crispy hash browns with smoked salmon and caviar. This is a super simple recipe, so let's get to cooking. We're gonna use these hash browns from Trader Joe's. They're super tasty, or you can also make your own. We're gonna place them on an elevated rack. Then we're gonna season them on one side with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. We're gonna set the oven to 400 degrees. Now we're gonna cook these for a minimum of 14 minutes. When ready, remove them from the oven. We're gonna place a couple of slices of smoked salmon on top. Then we're gonna open up a container of creme fraiche, stir it around so we get a creamy texture, and place on top of the salmon. We're gonna add a few sprigs of fresh dill. And last but not least, we're gonna top these with a healthy dollop of caviar. And then this super simple recipe is ready to eat. And that is how I make my crispy hash browns with smoked salmon and caviar. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. They look and smell amazing, so here we go. This is so good and so easy to make. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.